welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Ashley. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a salmon sushi bowl, so let's just get into the video. There are so many different types of sushi bowls depending on how you like to make yours, whether you like to have just something really simple or whether you like to go all out. For me, I just like to have some carrots, some avocado, some salmon and some rice, just with some soy sauce, but you could have teriyaki sauce, you could have sweet chili sauce, you could have anything you want. You could even have some seaweed in there if that's what you like, or have it be chicken or any other bit of sushi that you like to have. I like salmon, so that's why I'm making a salmon one, but it's up to you as to how you do it. And I'm just going to be using this rice. It's a white rice, but you can use brown rice or any type of brand you want, whether you like brown rice or white rice, and however you want to make it. If you just want to use a pottle like this, or you want to actually cook the rice yourself, that's up to you. I'm just going to be using one like this, and I'm just going to be cooking it for about 40 seconds, but you can cook it for as long as you think you need to. Again, if you're preparing it yourself, then it might take longer, so it depends how you want to make your sushi bowl. I'm just using this soy sauce, but you can use any kind of sauce you want. You could have teriyaki sauce depending on how you want to make your sushi bowl and what sauce you want to use. Now here we have the salmon. And in this bowl I just have the avocado. Just take as much salmon as you want. Again, you might be using chicken or any other thing you want in your sushi bowl, depending on what kind of sushi you like. Again, I'm just using salmon. Take as much avocado as you want, depending on how much you like to use. And then last of all, just sprinkle on some carrot. And there we have it, a salmon sushi bowl with avocado and carrot. But again, you can make it whatever way you want. You can have whatever sauce you want. You could even add in some seaweed if you like seaweed. But this is how I make it. Now time for the taste test. Delicious and healthy. Thank you so much for watching another video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to smash the big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it. Also don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!